Let's bring up a complex multi-pitch BGA example. Importing the PDF datasheet. Zooming in on the area. You will notice that in this case, it is a totally custom grid array. Let's start by bringing up the BGA calculator. And using the associative editing, I will change the fiducials to off and change X and Y values of A and B to the specified amount per the data sheet with a tolerance of the specified amount. And if I have alternative entries, I can use the additional modes to enter the minimum and maximum versus the nominal and the tolerance. Changing the number of pins to 41 on the side and the BGA size and pitch, and calculating the results. Now, to obtain the custom grid map, let's move back to the Symbol Builder Scratchpad spreadsheet. It's a generic spreadsheet where I can input the CSV or tab separated value file from my component vendor. Inputting the CSV file, I now have both the flip and the normal package. In this case, I will be modeling from the flip. I will first tag the individual information, much like I did in the PDF documents earlier, but in this case with a number, the X origin, and the Y origin of the content. I will also fill the hidden column with the word visible, and I will reference this in a second on the changing of the non-propagated pins. I must also scale the units, so we have automated scaling. We just simply click on the column and change the 1/100th of a millimeter to millimeter units of my footprint model. Let's now configure both the Symbol Builder and the Footprint Builder. Moving back actually to the Footprint Builder first, let's take all of the pins and change all of the pins to non-propagated. Configuring both back the Symbol Builder and the Footprint Builder, taking the Scratchpad spreadsheet, I will now annotate the information to the footprint model. Not the symbol model, but to the footprint model, which moves all of the pins to the exact XY locations, and the visible code makes them now propagated pins inside this particular BGA. I've completed a very, very complex custom grid array in a matter of a few minutes.